Good morning, class 12th. How are you? Fine. Today is a very good morning because your weather is very beautiful. Okay, so now start the chapter number 4. The topic is the very clear. You can see in my thumbnail. Okay, so all of class 12 be ready. Now my screen. Tokyo on current loop medical dipole. ओके, किसी भी रेक्टेंगल कॉइल को यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिकल फील्ड के अंदर जो है रोटेशन डेवलप करवाएंगे. नाउ क्रिएट द टॉर्क्यू की कॉन्सेप्ट को रीड करेंगे, मैग्नेटिकल डायपोल के कॉन्सेप्ट को रीड करेंगे. सो ऑल ऑफ स्टूडेंट नाउ अलर्ट. नाउ सब टाइटल इज द torque on a rectangular current loop in a uniform magnetical field. Okay, you can see in this picture, this figure is very clear. N and S is the permanent magnet, ABCD is the rectangle coil. Okay, now angular velocity omega is the rotate. There is the black they are given the C1 C2 is the slip brushes and they are connected in the battery positive and negative terminal and one way key. So you can see this coil is this pattern. This coil here is the A, B and here is the CD. So coil is rotate here. Coil is rotate here. This type coil is rotate. So you can see the next figure is very clear. The figure A, here is point B and here the राइट हैंड साइड के अंदर जो फोर्स F1 लग रहा है और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में फोर्स F2 लग रहा है, both are equal and opposite, so net force are cancel out, it means 0. But the particular arms is the value is the particular arms is create the force F is equal to I L cross B, and now L cross B are convert the ILB sin theta and theta is equal to 90, then the force is equal to ILB. Okay, you can see this figure is very clear. Here is the rectangle coil, here is the area A and length B and wide A. So you are putting there. Now the new force are created there. It is called the experience force. So experience force is the F1 experience force of arm AB and CD. Then force F1 and F2 both are equal and opposite. So IBB. Okay, IBB is the creative force on their side, right side and left side. Both are equal and opposite. So net forces are 0. Now second point, rectangle coil is the rotated omega velocity. So now create a torque, and torque tau is equal to R cross F is very clear point. So here is the distance R is the A by 2. Okay, so tau is equal to F1 into A by 2 plus F2 into A by 2. So put the value tau is equal to I B into A by 2 plus I B into A by 2. Okay, so write down all of you. And now next point is very clear. So tau is equal to I B common A by 2 is convert A. So tau is equal to I B A, and here is the tau is equal to I A B. Now AB is the area of the rectangle is denoted by capital A. So AB, now torque tau is equal to IAB. Okay, only for the rectangular coil is situated in the uniform electrical field, not create any angle. It means theta is equal to 0. Case now the create the torque tau is equal to IAB. So write down all of you. Now next point is the same point. The rectangular coil create an angle theta. It means theta degrees create. So angle rectangular coil shape is some different. Okay, you can see there is the AB and here is the CD. Coil is the some rectangle create angle theta. So you can see this second picture is very clear. Now the force F1 and F2, the right hand side force and left hand side force are equal and opposite, but the distance are create A by 2 sine theta, and theta is the create a vertical dipole moment. So now force on arms AB and CD are F1 and F2 is equal to IBB. Okay, it is clear. And now rectangular coil is the angular momentum omega से rotate हो रही है, so create a torque Q. Now the torque tau is equal to F1 A by 2 sin theta and F2 A by 2 sin theta. It is clear. Now putting the value F1 and F2, so IBB A by 2 sin theta and IBB A by 2 sin theta. Now tau is equal to IBB sin theta. So A by 2 plus A by 2. Now tau is equal to IAB sin theta. Write down all of you. Okay, now next point is very clear. So tau is equal to IAB sin theta, because A is equal to AB and theta goes to 0. Yeah, sin theta is equal to 90 degree perpendicular distance. Okay, so sin theta, it means sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, so now remaining the portion of the torque Q is equal to IAB. Okay, it means not create any angle, then also the torque value is the IAB, and create an angle, then the torque value is the IAB, not changing, only for the changing the distance A by 2 replaced by A by 2 sin theta. Okay, now magnetical dipole moment is the very clear cut message. Magnetic dipole, it means it is denoted by small m, and magnetical dipole moment is the current into area. Okay, रेक्टेंगल कॉइल में जो करंट पास आउट हुआ, उस करंट को उस जो रेक्टेंगल कॉइल में जो करंट पास आउट हुआ वो पर्टिकुलर एरियाज को डिजाइन कर रहा था. सो मैग्नेटिकल डाइपोल मोमेंट I m is equal to IA. Okay, and now SI unit is ampere meter square. Okay, so now tau is value putting there, the tau is equal to here the mb sin theta, and now vector coordinate tau is equal to m cross b. Okay, so write down all of you. Okay, and now magnetical dipole moment, small m is equal to Ia, and depend on the number of turns, it means number of turns the coil are rotate, the number of turns, then the magnetical dipole moment is the maximum create, and current is the maximum, then the magnetical dipole moment also maximum create, and the area is the area increasing, the magnetical dipole moment is also increasing. Then you can see in the first chapter, the electrostatics, there is the electrical dipole moment is denoted by P. So electrical dipole moment P is the value is the Q into 2A, and here is the create a torque tau is equal to P E sin theta. It means vector coordinate tau is equal to P cross E. Okay, so both are the equal point. The electrical field is the created, electrical dipole is denoted by P is equal to QA, and magnetical field is created, the magnetical dipole moment small m is equal to IA. Okay, so friend, there is a very interesting point. Now is the very special case are created there. Very special case are created there. Which case are created here? Very simple. So tau is equal to mb sin theta are created. It means torque is rotated a angular velocity. Then torque tau is equal to is the I alpha, because I is the moment of inertia and alpha is the angular acceleration. So now is the convert I is equal to omega square upon d theta square. D square omega upon d theta square is the value are created there. Okay, and now convert this value. This value is the convert. Very simple. Alpha is equal to d omega upon dt. Okay, and I is equal to d square theta upon dt. Okay, so put the value I is equal to d omega upon dt, and here is the mb sin theta. It means you have find out the angular frequency, how many frequency are the rectangular coil is rotating there. So putting the value, the I bracket d omega upon dt is equal to mb sin theta, and d omega upon dt is to create a simple mathematical portion. D omega upon dt is the convert is the d omega upon d theta, and d theta upon dt. So d theta upon dt is convert omega, and d omega upon dt d theta. Okay, put their value here. So I is equal to omega d omega upon d theta, and here is the mb sin theta. Write down all of you. Okay, so now cross multiplication, and I omega d omega is equal to mb sin theta d theta. Okay, write down. Now both side integration. And then find out the angular frequency. So both side integration and create a limit I omega d omega is equal to integration mb sin theta d theta. Here is the theta is value 0, then the angular frequency is initial, then theta is equal to pi by 2, it means 90, the angular frequency is the final. Okay, now I is the taking the common, so if upon omega f upon omega I, so omega d omega is equal to mb, taking the common, remaining portion is the sin theta d theta. Okay, my dear friend, and very simple integration are there. So now I omega d omega is the integration d omega square upon 2, and here is the omega f upon omega I. It means here is the upper limit and here is the lower limit, and then mb sin theta is integral minus cos theta pi by 2 0. Okay, now put the value. So omega f square minus omega I square by 2, and here is the mb upon I, and here is the minus cos pi by 2 minus minus plus cos 0. Okay, so now omega f square minus omega I square is equal to 2mbi, and cos 90 is equal to 0, and cos 0 is equal to value 1. So 0 plus 1. Write down. Suppose initial angular frequency is 0. Suppose initial angular frequency is 0. Second case are create. Omega f square minus omega I square is equal to 2mbi. Okay, first formula are there, and second formula, suppose initially angular frequency is 0, then omega f square is equal to 2mbi. Now omega f is equal to under root 2mb upon I. Okay, so here is the angular frequency are given there. Now putting the value in the moment of inertia. Suppose the moment of inertia is the various point, or you can also study in the class 11. So moment of inertia is the spherical is the 2 upon 5 mr square, the cylindrical 2 upon 3 mr square, and cylindrical and disk, and whatever here there they study. So putting the value in the I, and then find out the angular frequency. Suppose in the case of the earth case, earth is the especially spherical, so sphere, so momentum of inertia is equal to 2 upon 5 mr square. Okay, it is very interesting value are putting there. So angular frequency is equal to 2mb upon 2 upon 5 mr square. So angular frequency is the value is the 5 mb upon mr square. It is not confusion. Small mr saying that the dipole moment, magnetical dipole moment, and capital M is the mass of object, mass of sphere. Okay, and with the magnetical field, and R is the radius of earth. So putting the value and then find out the angular frequency. It means आपकी अर्थ की एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी को आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दिस फॉर्मूला इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो ऑल ऑफ स्टूडेंट राइट डाउन. Okay, now next video is the uploading in the hydrogen atom. It means the current hydrogen atom से. Okay, so next video आपको अपलोड मिल जाएगा. इस वीडियो का आप जो है अपनी कॉपी में राइट डाउन कर लेना. लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अच्छे कमेंट पास करें. थैंक यू.